How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus left ledge panel. You will need a pry tool to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a pry tool, pry the edges of the ledge panel upward to detach the panel from the chair. Disconnect the connector, then remove the ledge panel. Now, let's replace it. Note the tabs on the new ledge panel and the corresponding slots on the chair. Connect the connector to the ledge panel, align the tabs with the slots, then press the ledge panel firmly into position. Press along all sides of the panel to ensure that it is secure. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.